You're creating your website like this, and now you have reached to an where you have added the text, but now you need to change the color of a specific text. For example, this one here, you need to change. All this one is black, but you need to change this one to a different color. What do you do? Very simple. Here is the solution. Go to go to content, switch to text, then locate where you need to add. For example, it is from here. Then say span, 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 span style equals to open quotes, then put color, span style equals to open quotes, color, put here colon, space, paste your color there, semicolon, close the quotes. After closing the quotes, you put greater than, then you move to where you need it to end. For example, this is the text we need to change. You come here and say open lesson span. Then there you are done. So now here you have changed the color of only this text here. Very simple like that. Now when you need to change again this color to a different color, for example, any color, you just come and click here. Then here is the color. Put like 2288. Hope you can see it is changing, and change it to that color too. As simple as that. Then you return it and you are done. Please let me know if this works for you. Thank you so much.